Hey guys, so this is actually a backdated video. It was actually filmed on the 12th of April, and I'm actually planning to upload it to my channel under Jamie's Car Diaries. So it's to detail the journey of actually owning a EV vehicle. I actually purchased a Polestar. So this was actually before the car arrived, and I just wanted to share with you guys the installation process of an EV charger. And that was done on the 12th of April. It was carried out by Interwell, and I'm actually pretty impressed with the whole arrangement, the scheduling, as well as the efficiency. So I hope you guys like it. Alright, so this is where the Interwell charger will be placed, somewhere along this pillar. So we're gonna run the connections on the trunking, and then it's gonna go all the way to my BB box over. Call Kin, you're Kin.
Yeah.
Oh.
No still water will go in. Nothing. You don't rain now. Masuk air. Okay.
Yeah, single phase, correct.
Can you register the mobile apps?
Okay, escalator, okay? Yeah. Okay, I close, huh?
Yeah, let's look up the engineer.
Okay, huh? When are you okay, huh?
It's ready.
That's it, yeah? Good.
Oh, it's on already. Okay, so you mentioned this one, the isolate.
Emergency. If
Okay.
I press the emergency,
Okay.
the circuit will cut off the charger from the box.
Ah.
The supply will come until the box.
Okay.
Okay, after checking with the technical team, because this one they use only for the emergency purpose.
Yeah.
So make sure everything correct before you release the e-stop.
Okay.
So after you release e-stop, you just wait for 5 to 10 seconds to power up the charger.
Okay.
Okay. After 5 seconds, you can get the light with the display.
Okay, I try.
Yeah, sure.
Then I will turn to the.
Yes.
Okay.
And this one isolator for normal,
Yep.
just off and on.
Yep.
Once you turn on, same thing, it takes 5 to 10 seconds to power up the charger. Then after 10 seconds, you can get the light with the display.
Yeah lah, it's like the isolator. Then this one is the.
E-stop,
Yeah
okay.
lah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
If you want stop charging, you just press here to stop charging. Before 100% the battery level, the charger will automatically stop. Because then you can get the notification here. Start passed by user.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm the user to stop manually.
Okay.
So if I want start again, then I can start again here. The
Okay.
second method, during charging time, I used to unlock my car. During charging time, I used to unlock the car. The cable will unlock. Once the cable will unlock, the charger automatically cut off back to standby.
Yeah.
So you just
safety feature lah.
Yeah. Just make sure that cable during charging time don't use to unlock the car. Sometimes you forget.
Yeah. Correct. Okay. 哎，你们可以喝水嘞，那边啊。
可以，谢谢。这样也可以。
可以喝圣母。
然后
啊。
这样也可以。
Okay.
这边也。
Yeah, the hook there lah.
这样。
Okay. Leave it there lah.
Ready.
Just
Yeah,
up
yeah.
and
Down and down lah. Good.
Up and down.
Okay.
Okay. Masih. Oh. Okay.
Okay. Alright, so that was the overview of the installation process of an EV charger in Singapore. I'm sure you guys must be aware that you are able to install it on your own as well. But if you have a DB box and you stay in a landed property, you would run into a situation where you could probably potentially short something, and you really don't want to have that kind of issues because it's gonna be dangerous. And at the same time, in Singapore, I don't think you should carry out installation procedure like this because you need a qualified professional to make sure that you install it with an isolator. Because in times of emergency, you would just want a hard shut, which is what that red button is for. Overall, I'm really excited about taking the delivery of my Polestar. Actually, to be honest, while filming this video, I have already collected my Polestar, but I'm not going to share with you too much. I'm going to do it in another video where I share my thoughts about the Polestar 2, the reviews, at least an owner's review, because I think a lot of the YouTube videos out there, you're always given a car and then no one really just they talk about the general stuff. But yeah, owning an EV in Singapore, the pros and cons. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The reason why I'm uploading 2 videos in a day is because I finally got my MacBook Pro due to the shortage in supply of chips. It was actually delayed for more than a month. So I finally got it. It's the M1 Max and I'm loving it. It rendered a 13-minute video in less than 5 minutes. That's quite insane, man. So until the next video, you guys take care. Bye.